Welcome to our guide on how to search in Telegram conversations on your PC, featuring the latest update that makes finding messages easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your computer or navigate to Telegram web in your preferred browser. Either option will give you access to your chats seamlessly. Once you're in, locate and click on the conversation you want to explore. This could be a chat with friends, family, or any group where important messages may have slipped by. Now the next step is to look for the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass. It's typically found at the top of the chat window. Click on that icon, and you're ready to input your search term. With the search bar open, type in the exact message or keyword you're looking for. Telegram will automatically scan the entire conversation for matching messages, making it easy for you to sift through previous discussions quickly. Finally, once you hit enter, you'll see the results pop up. Navigate through the highlighted messages to find what you need. Whether you're digging up an old link, recalling a funny meme, or reviewing important information, this search feature is incredibly handy. And there you have it. You've now mastered the art of searching within Telegram conversations on your PC. Make sure to utilize this feature to enhance your messaging experience and stay organized with all your important chats. Happy searching!